Hey everyone, this is Jay Lewis from Tech Boner, back in his house with another video. And today we'll be looking at two cases from Caseology for the Pixel 7 Pro. One case is called the Athlex, and the other case is called the Parallax. So sit back, get ready for this video, and let's get into what we came here to get into.
Tech Boner! Exciting about tech.
I really like these cases. Let's see what's inside the box. So, on the box, not a lot of information. Nice packaging. Inside the box, we have welcome to the club. We're happy to have you, Caseology. They have a website. You can follow them on Twitter, Facebook, things of that nature. Well, I really like this case. This case, the Athlex, is kind of a ruggedized case. The material is unique. It kind of reminds me of a cargo liner, maybe inside your truck. Inside we have this material, looks like a drop protection material, maybe a cushion kind of protection. Protective cases for Google on the inside. Here goes my Pixel 7 Pro. Bong, easily snap in. So let's take a look around the case. On the right side we have the power button, the volume up and down. We have some grippy material which I really like. On the other side is clean, but we also have that same grippy material and also some Caseology branding. On the bottom, we have cutouts for your speaker, your mic, and their USB-C. On the top, same deal, some kind of cutout maybe for a noise canceling speaker. On the back, we have a really big recessed camera portal for that camera bar, really recessed. We also have like two different kind of material. This is a hard plastic, and this is like a TPU type material. Let's see. We have lots of lip protection. This is a really nice case. It's unique in this style. The material that they chose to use, I really like it. Let's see if we can test for wireless charging. Wireless charging is in effect, so you have no problem with the wireless charging, even though this case is kind of thick. I really like this case. This type of ruggedized kind of case. I really like this case. Lots of grip. Nice, good feel in the hand. All the cutouts work fine. Let me check. Volume up and down. Nice and clicky. No problem. Power off and on. No problem. Let's get to the next case. The next case is the Parallax, also from Caseology. Same kind of packaging and presentation. Look like they're really into that save the earth recycling type deal. Put that to the side. Also in this case on the inside, we have that same shock absorbent type material on the inside. It's not as firm as the last case. Let's get this on. Now this case is a little bit thinner, but still have good protection. I'm really feeling the design and the look of this case is a beautiful looking case. Let's take a look around. Let's start with the back. Nice big recess camera portal for the camera bar. You should be protected if you set your device down on the table on a hard surface. You should be good to go. On the right side, power button, volume up and down. We have some extra grippy material on the right side. Left side is clean, no buttons, but we do have Caseology branding. That same nice grippy material so you can hold on to your device and don't have to worry about it falling. The bottom, we have cutout speaker, USB microphone. Top, same deal, noise canceling speaker, most likely. We have lots of lip protection, so you should be good to go for them face down folds, or if you just place, even if you just place your phone on the surface. Even with the curved display, we do have some lip protection on the side. That's what I like about this new design with the Pixel 7 Pro. It still has a slight curve, but cases do fit better for protection. Let's take a look at these buttons. Power button off and on, nice and clicky. Volume up and down, same deal, works no problem. And I mentioned earlier about this extra grippy material here on the side. You have a lot of grip for your phone. Again, let's see, wireless charging. Wireless charging, no problem there. Now this case I really like. The other case is really nice, but this case I like just for the look and feel. Let me just get a quick wipe down from the camera bar. I really like the different textures. So we have a really rugged kind of feel, same as the Athlete case. But over here we have that, I guess it's called the Parallax design, and it's matte. And over here we have a hard plastic. So we have this hard plastic right here, but really accents the matte, so that shine. You might get a little glitter-like effect. This is a really beautiful looking case, very stylish. Again, recessed camera bar, no problem. So in this case, you get a lot of style and protection. I got these cases on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description in regards to the price, but I know they were pocket friendly. You don't have to worry about paying a lot for these two quality cases. I really like both of these cases, but I'm gonna cut this short. Two really nice cases for your Pixel 7 Pro. You got a little rugged material right here on the Athlete. You have a little style here on the Parallax. And before I go, I'd like to ask you, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And as always, get excited about tech. Peace.